Hi friends, this video shows how to use external power source or power bank with MetaQuest 3. So here I will be using this power bank. See, this is a 3300 mAh battery. So before connecting this power bank, let me open MetaQuest app. Then tap on MetaQuest 3. Tap on this MetaQuest 3 here. And here you can see the percentage of battery charge. So next I am going to connect this power bank. Here you can see the USB port. Here I need to connect this. When I connect, you can see that this icon will change and it will show charging. Let me connect this. See, now it's charging. You can see icon has changed. So let me remove it. See, icon has changed. So this way we can use this portable power bank with this MetaQuest 3. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.